Hey guys, it's Calvin and I will be going on a trip very soon. And with any trip, it's always good to bring an extra power supply. So I decided to get this, the Anker 13,000 milliamp PowerCore. I'm pretty excited to show you guys this device and talk about some of the features. So let's just get into it. Here's the Anker box. We have the Anker logo right at the top and it's got this blue band all around the box, and if we open up the flap, it says, "Thanks for choosing Anker." Well, you're very welcome. At the top we have Anker, America's leading USB charging brand, and when we open it up, we actually see the Anker PowerCore right there, and we have some accessories in the back of the box. If I could get this out, if we open this up, let's put that box to the side. We have this accessories box. Inside the accessories box, we should have a charging cable, which is a micro USB cable, a carrying case, and I believe that's it. So there's the accessories box. Here is the charging cable. This is a micro USB cable that plugs into the PowerCore to actually charge the PowerCore. The Anker PowerCore does not come with any other type of cable. So if you have a lightning cable, if you need a lightning cable or a USB Type-C cable, you will need to provide that yourself. If you do, however, have a device that does charge via micro USB, then you can actually use this cable provided to not only charge the PowerCore, but to also charge your device. And since there's only one cable, you obviously cannot charge both your device and this thing at the same time with just one cable. Now the actual PowerCore actually comes with two USB output ports as well as one micro USB input port. The two USB charging ports here on the side produce 5 volts of output and 3 amps of current. And since it's running at 3 amps, the charging ports do actually support quick charge capable devices. So 3 amps is pretty fast compared to some of the older charging rates of 1, 2, 2.1, and 2.4 amps. And it's got the micro USB input right there to actually charge the PowerCore itself. Now the unit weighs about 240 grams, which is about 8.5 ounces. And it's roughly the weight of 2 iPhone 6s. All of that comes to about half a pound. So this thing weighs about half a pound. As far as the dimensions go, the brick is 3.8 inches by 3.1 inches by 0.9 inches this way. And as you can see, it does fit pretty comfortably in the palm of my hand. And if you compare it to an iPhone 6, this is my iPhone 6 right here, it is slightly wider than the iPhone 6 and considerably shorter than it. Now at the top of the unit we have 4 LED indicator lights, and when you press the button here on the side, it actually lights up to tell you how much juice is actually left in the unit. Now there are 4 status indicator lights, so a 1 light means you're pretty low on fuel. Now when you're charging this thing, the lights will actually turn on 1, 2, 3, and 4, and when it's fully charged, the lights will actually turn off. Now when you're charging this thing, if you use a 2 amp wall charger, it'll take approximately 7.5 hours to fully charge this thing. So if you are going to use this thing for the next few days, I would recommend plugging this thing in overnight, letting it charge, and then going ahead and using it however much you need to. The capacity of this unit is 13,000 milliamp hours. And as a comparison, my iPhone 6 has about 1800 milliamp hour battery. So theoretically, a fully charged device could power my iPhone 6 7 times. But according to Anker's official website, it will charge an iPhone 6s 5 times, a Galaxy S6 3.5 times, and an iPad Air 2 only 1 time. Now this is a 3 amp power brick, so it does support quick charging, but unfortunately it does not support Qualcomm's quick charge capability, which is found on a lot of Android phones running the Snapdragon chips. However, it does support its own high-speed charging with its own feature called PowerIQ. Now if you want a PowerCore that does support Qualcomm's quick charge capability, I would recommend the PowerCore Plus 13400, link in the description. Now PowerIQ is Anker's own feature built into this PowerCore, and it's basically a feature when you plug in your device, the PowerCore itself will detect your device, figure out its highest capable charging speed, and then actually deliver power to your device using that speed or a speed that's pretty close to what your device can handle. So there you go, the Anker PowerCore 13000. If you guys have any questions on this device, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to try to answer them. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.